Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
General Secretary Jongko All India Trinamool Congress Abhishek Banerjee habakren na kajingilang patba kabalalong mentakasngi kakandre Tarik ubnay Rymphang arajar arpulai ha ampati bat William Nagar ulaong baay bahagani kakinti kabamenta ki patba kin pentray kam ya kathong kabaong vat vote tang banji henray ban Kyntait badro ban penshitom ni Nongbamsap kibalong Nongelam jong kaseng BJP bat ka NPP kibala shet kala ya kajela Meghalaya. Hagani kasngi na kalyang jong Abhishek ula kenturu ikipat ba bakin jed yu nong mi ikman ubala ban punurlong yiki jingkular. Haba kadaw yiki jingduko karukom trekam jong kesorkar MDA hapo ke jilla ula kentu ikipat ba bakin ay ke jing sneng yiki ke sorkar ha ka arpuhun Tarik ubnay Rymphang arhajar arpulai. Susu ula ongru bala da ka TMC kawan hakabor kan punurlong ya baro ki jingkular kamtam ke maikat bat ke wikat. Bat yakini an pentray kam hapo ubnay ban ningkong hadin bawan hakabor. Ulat heru yo Konrad sangma bakumno uhap ban pendem tedong hakmat ke BJP ke bana Delhi badru na Guwahati bat uhap ban penya je ke sorkar ke bala dep ban kharwat shabi lepa da manore. Hagani kasngi u Abhishek ulale jingok ru yang ki jaka ki badon ki kendong ken shrot banyak keren badru ban punsmoto ki patba halor ki jingang no jong kaseng TMC badru ki shipho tuli ki kular ki bala khlei. Shushu Abhishek ula kentu ki patba bakin ai ka jing kershan ya kaseng TMC khnang ban la ban wanra ya shibon ki kampen roy hapo ke jella limkumta ki patba ke jella kin hab ban ai jubab ya ka pateng ban wan.
Let Dr. Sangma be here and Conrad be on the other side of the dais. I challenge Conrad Sangma from this very stage. If you have the guts and courage, instead of misleading the people at large, come with facts and figures. Come with your report card. That what you have done in the last 5 years, you are accountable to the people of this state. Let people see your report card. You claim to have run a double engine government in the last 5 years. You have got all assistance from the center. Still the healthcare is in shambles. The infrastructure of the state is in doldrums. There are no medical colleges, no new engineering colleges, no universities, no doctors in the hospital, no teachers in the school. This is the Meghalaya you all dreamt of 5 years back when we voted.
That this time you have to not only just press the twin flower button to vote for Trinamool Congress. Every vote to Trinamool Congress means to uproot the corrupt, inept NPP government which has betrayed with your love, with your trust, and teach them a lesson which they will remember for the rest of their life. You see that last 5 years, you had a lot of hopes, aspirations in your heart, in your mind. You really thought that NPP will do something and bring some overall development to the state and will work tirelessly toward the all-round development of the state. But they are deep down plunged and mired in corruption, in scams. I would request the people of Ampati, the 27th of February when the day comes and when you go to exercise your voting right, when you go and exercise your franchise, voting for twin flowers doesn't mean just to uproot the NPP government. Voting for twin flowers means to teach them a lesson. This is an election to punish the corrupt NPP government, to punish them for playing with your and betraying your trust, hopes and aspirations, to punish them as hard as you can and teach them a lesson which they will remember for the rest of their life. That they can't take these people and the brothers and sisters of this very soil for granted. You would be happy to know that more than 4 lakh youth have registered themselves as a part of My Card, and more than 4 lakh women have registered themselves as a part of We Card. When we challenged the NPP government to come out with their report card, when our leader came to Meghalaya, she challenged that if Conrad Sangma and NPP has the guts and gusto, they should come out with their report card in the last 5 years. Now, Conrad Sangma claims that Meghalaya has the lowest unemployment rate. But you should see the facts on ground. Trinamool Congress, when they launch Meghalaya TMC, the My Card, 4 lakh unemployed youth have registered with us. That is a testament to the fact that unemployment is the highest in the state. Meghalayan youths are being deprived every now and then. People who lived as citizens, residents of this proud state, now have to live as residents of other state because you have a chief minister in the last 5 years who doesn't have the courage and spine to stand for its own people. Who find it difficult to raise a question and hit the streets to protest against the anti-people policies of the BJP. Meghalaya TMC is not doing a favor by giving you 1000 rupees monthly. This is your right, but you are deprived from this right. We want to give you this right. We want to ensure that money reaches you directly. And few political dispensation in the political fray in the state, they are claiming this as freebies. When the chief minister draws salary, when their telephone bills, electricity charges, water charges are all made free, those are not considered freebies. But when Trinamool wants to give something to the common people, to every Meghalayan of this state and stand for their right, NPP and BJP will claim those promises and pledges as freebies.
In 5 years they played with your emotion. 27th of February when you go and exercise your voting right, NPP should be uprooted in a way that NPP will think 100 years before calling you again. Before going to you again, we vote to ensure 5 years of brighter future for every Meghalayan. We vote to ensure that in the days to come, Meghalaya will bring back glory, its lost glory. In the days to come, Meghalaya will stand with its head held high. Meghalaya will prove its mettle to the world. Meghalaya will prove its might to the rest of the country. Why will Meghalaya be perceived as a small state? Tell me, why will Meghalaya be neglected all these years? Why will Meghalayans be neglected all these years? This is time you start thinking about yourself. So every vote to TMC is a vote against the 5 years of misrule, 5 years of distrust, 5 years of conning you, and 5 years of looting you. We don't have a single member of parliament from Meghalaya. Still, we have made it a point to raise the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the constitution thrice in the last 1 year. NPP with MPs, with state government, with power in state government, with so many might and vigor, they have not raised this issue even once in the parliament in the last 4.5 years. You have to hit the ground, stand with the people, and if you have fire in the belly, and if you want to take on their might, then Trinamool Congress is the general and organic platform of choice for everyone. So if you are voting for Congress, that means one vote to the Congress is a vote vested. One vote to the Twin Towers and TMC is a vote against the inept NPP government, and one vote to TMC is a vote for brighter Meghalaya. So ask yourself, the next 5 years, what do you want to see? A brighter future for Meghalaya, or Meghalaya duped and plunged in scams and corruption? I want to ask each one of you, what do you envision for Meghalaya in the next 5 years? A brighter future, or a chief minister who has looted the state, who has looted your money? Trinamool Congress wants to give you your right, and NPP wants you to deprive you of your right.
This is your time. So voting for Miani means voting for Meghalaya. And I promise you that Aam Party will remain in the forefront of this developmental model of Trinamool Congress. What Trinamool Congress has committed, Trinamool Congress has delivered. Please vote for Miani, vote for Twin Towers, and uproot the inept, corrupt, inefficient, incompetent NPP and MDA government out of power. It's just a matter of time. So you have to show them that what people of Meghalaya and the state is capable of. Vote for! 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 With both your hands. Vote for! Raise both your hands. Vote for! Vote for! Vote for! Vote for!
Kapor ding ha Meghalaya kaliman kapor Kongres ka kular Bandung du bor ding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Meghalaya TMC kan Nongbamsap Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khat hajating kashi snap shaki Kyntait haman laki long ying kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo Tarik Rymphang, Shanya ka sap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.